Hello students, in previous video we learned poem little by little, right? Now today we are learn question answer of poem, right? First question, name the tree that the acorn grows into, right? In lesson we learn acorns grow into oak tree. So answer is like that, the acorn grows into an oak tree. Second question, what things does a seed need to grow? Right? So answer, a seed needs air, water and soil to grow. Third question, how many describing words can you find in this poem? In this poem, how many describing words we find? We have to write in this answer, okay? So answer describing words in the poem are slowly, improving, deep, steep, teeny, slender, mighty, right? All are describing words. Now in textbook you have to do it yourself. In textbook you can see that two pictures are given in your textbook, so you have to write it yourself, the difference between the between the two trees, right? So you have to do it yourself. Now we write here these words describing parts of a tree, right? Write them in given space. Now all the words are given are the parts of the tree. You have to write in your textbook, okay? Stem. Stem is also the part of the tree. So what the functions of the tree, how it looks, so we discuss here. Stem, it gives strength to the tree and help in making the tree stand straight, right? Bark, it is a brown color part present on the stem. It's a bark. Leaves, these are green in color, right? And many in number. They make food for the plant. Branches, these are parts emergency from stream on which the leaves grow. Birds make their nest on them. Wings, these are thin weak branches. Thin and weak branches we say twigs. Roots, these are thin like thread and long parts under the earth which hold the plant in the soil, right? So under the soil, the like a thread parts we call roots. Shoot, the uppermost part of the plant above the soil is called the shoot. The shoot, the uppermost part of the plant, right? So it's a shoot. Now you have to match the opposite words. Downwards, upward, slowly, fast, little, big, slender, fat, mighty, big, day and night, right? Now you have to do exercise all these, match the opposite words and these words describing parts of a tree. Write them in given space. You have to do this exercise in your textbook, right? And you have to write this 3 question answer in your classwork note, okay? Thank you.